It's the day after Christmas, and we had a white Christmas. And we're out here gonna hit the slopes. Well, not the actual slopes, just some hills in the area, do a little sledding. Well, we had a white Christmas and it is snowing, and we're trying to find a sled spot. As you can see, Evie Rose, she's getting towed along. She's the lucky one. We don't normally get a lot of snow out here, so we got to take advantage of it when it happens. Okay, Evie's gonna go down. I'm gonna pull her. Woo!
Go fast! Go fast. I'm going on the other one.
Super Holden's going. Show us what you got. Well, we just had an epic time in the snow. We did a lot of sledding. As you can see, it's still quite inclement out there in the weather. It is actively snowing. Here's our windshield. But it was a lot of fun. Nobody got seriously hurt. We need some hot cocoa in us, maybe a couple snacks. And yeah, it was a great time. So if you like this type of content, make sure and give us a big thumbs up. That definitely helps the channel. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please do. And make sure and tap that bell. That way you can join us on our next adventure. Did you guys have fun?
Yes.
Did you have fun, Everly Rose? What about you kiddos?
So much fun.
We found a sledding hill and it was so fast and fun.
Nice, nice. Well, everybody had a great time. We don't do this too often because we don't get a lot of snow out in our neck of the woods. But take advantage of it while you can and be safe out there. The roads are icy. Do what you can, keep each other safe. Snowball fight. Come here. Let's face off. In one corner, there's Everly Rose, and in the other, there's Daddy. Come on. Give me your best throw. Oh no, I can see that look in her eye. She's got her monster hat. Oh no, are you gonna get me? Oh!